Welcome back. And in our business news, the MENA region is swiftly presenting itself as a viable and safe investment destination, and things are looking decidedly brighter, according to the latest report. The report, titled "The MENA Stimulus: The Great Cash Escape" by DIFC-based asset management firm Al Masar Capital, shows that MENA countries and their stimulus packages provide a case study in how cash injection rather than austerity may be the best answer. It shows that raising budgets in 2009 and implementing counter-cyclical fiscal measures have propelled growth in the MENA region, and how such stimulus packages are now paying off. According to the report, the GCC in particular is making a very strong recovery through improved oil prices. In 2009, the region set off a number of incentive packages. The UAE stayed on course with its steady expansionary fiscal policy, stressing infrastructure and social sector development.
The purpose was basically to focus on assessing the impact of various stimulus measures that regional governments have implemented to counteract the slowdown in economies. And we found basically that thanks to oil prices, that's one of the major factors, the buoyant oil prices. Regional governments, mostly the oil producers, have been able to steer away quite quickly from the financial crisis. One of the key measures that were implemented in, let's say, UAE in particular, in the onset of the financial crisis, was the liquidity facility that the central bank offered to banks. This was approximately $20 billion in liquidity that were provided to banks. They were provided so that banks can have easy access to liquidity if needed. This is one very, very important measure that took place, which made sure that that the economy basically stayed on track, because without a strong financial sector, you cannot have a strong economy.
The Dubai Department of Economic Development issued 1,298 new trade licenses during June of this year. The results indicate a growing interest in commercial and professional activities among businessmen and investors in Dubai. Commercial licenses accounted for 72% of the total licenses issued, followed by professional at 25%, industrial at 1%, and tourism with 2%. June also saw just below 5,000 licenses being amended, while 7,647 were renewed. The total number of business registration and licensing transactions reached 48,053, compared to 43,631 in June 2011, an increase of 10%. Telecoms operator Du reported a 57% rise in second quarter net profit on Monday, recording 325.5 million dirhams in the 3 months to June the 30th, up from 207.2 million dirhams for the same period last year. The result was after paying royalty fees of 325.5 million dirhams. So let's now take a look at the stock markets across the GCC.